Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here. The war continue. We're here with Determined, aka MeShak. You know, Determined been chopping off after Khago for a month or so now. And Khago hasn't been responding until a couple days ago. Khago respond. And now we're here with MeShak answer Khago the Coward, aka Talking Parrot. That's the title of the song, so I'm reading it out as it is. Just tell it in a dance, I'll tell him run. That is a long title. So what is the name of the song? Talking Parrot or MeShak Burial Preparation? Okay, these two artists, whether you like it or not, these two artists are two daredevils. These two are two bad artists. Them. MeShak is a bad artist. Determined a bad artist. You see me? Two bad artists them. So them two artists here, the easiest way we put it is two of them suicidal. Two of them not have nothing to live for. the two of them rude. The two of them, the two of them is like that. So we are gonna jump into that one here and hear where MeShak say about Khago, cause this guy normal. So let's jump into that one and hear it. Let's go.
Hey, 90s, rise it, wind it. Bout bang bang, and always they round one bag of man 90 shot the fussy over the dollar van stand.
He must say, Khago say about bang bang. You know when Khago acting our theme slogan is bang bang. So he must say yo about bang bang, and always they run one bag of man where bang. The one bag of man ya bang, that's what he must say, not me.
And always they round one bag of man 90 shot the fussy over the dollar van stand. I said be a report and MeShak bitter like this that no make MeShak say you are the shop. Same place.
MeShak bitter like what?
They round one bag of man 90 shot the fussy over the dollar van stand. I said be a report and MeShak bitter like this that no make MeShak say you are the shop. Same place that dead people no fuck MeShak.
Now make me see you at the shop. A same place you got dead, brother. A same place you got dead. People are go shot. Yo.
Khago the cat and tell him quiet. MeShak bitter like this that no make MeShak say you are the shop. Same place that dead people no fuck MeShak. Shoot Khago the cat and tell him quiet. Talking Parrot.
Man say, him say I'm gonna shoot Khago the cat and tell him to be quiet. Cause Khago up Talking Parrot. That's how Khago do. Attack. That's what MeShak is saying, not me.
So all you dead like that gun busted man bald. Send them down a grave, not hospital wall. Him a real bank coward up in grave house man. Shot Khago and then take away him girl. Vicious.
Shot Khago and take away him girl. Let me just touch on this. The rhythm choice. I believe I the same rhythm Khago depend. Rhythm choice. Fire. Can we get a war between these two where them upon the same rhythm? That would be nice.
Shot Khago and then take away him girl. Vicious. Him only shot Bishop. Me will make them find Khago in a suitcase zip up.
Man said the only thing Khago has shot him not shot a soul. The only thing he must shot Bishop. If you don't know where shot Bishop is, go do your research. You see me? Yeah. They must say, yo, Khago idiot. They must say, yo, listen, we make them find Khago in one suitcase, zip up, and then travel him, and fly out, and smuggle him, get smuggled. No. Dead body.
Vicious, him only shot Bishop. Me will make them find Khago in a suitcase, zip up. Copper make him piss up and shit up, can't get up, blood bleed and
him say, copper, make him shit up and piss up, can't get up. You see me? So, the way him gonna deal with Khago, it not gonna be normal. Let's go.
In a suitcase, zip up. Copper make him piss up and shit up, can't get up, blood bleed and tick up and end up stay with us. Nothing can see if you're not Sons of Leviticus. Leave side shoot everything we're suspicious.
The man said nothing can save you, no Psalms, no Leviticus, nothing can save you, G. A two bad artists, you know. Them artists are two bad artists.
Him only shot Bishop, me will make them find Khago in a suitcase, zip up. Copper make him piss up and shit up, can't get up, blood bleed and tick up and end up stay with us.
Yeah. You hear a Kappa go do him? Kappa make him bleed and shit up, can't get up. Boom.
Copper make make him piss up and shit up, can't get up, blood bleed and tick up and end up his stay with us. Nothing can save you, no Psalms or Leviticus. Inside shoot everything we're suspicious.
Nothing can save you, brother. No Psalms, no Leviticus. Nobody can pray for your body. If you bring you back to life after me kill you. We are shoot anything we're suspicious. So I must say Khago suspicious.
Can't save you, no Psalms or Leviticus. Inside shoot everything we're suspicious. Khago escape, that is very ridiculous. One in a immortals while up him fuck. Last one.
Jesus Christ, this is a party.
That is very ridiculous. Inside shoot everything we're suspicious. Khago escape, that is very ridiculous. One in a immortals while up him fuck.
For Khago escape, that is very ridiculous. Don't think about that. That is very ridiculous, my friend. He will not escape. That is highly unlikely. Watch you now. I'm going to shoot Khago in his mouth and mash up him sex life. That's how him say Khago a fuck mouth, not me.
Escape, that is very ridiculous. One in a immortals while up him fuck. Last one dead like dog on bus said man bad. Send him on a grave, not hospital ward.
You're determined, Flo. That is determined. That is the MeShak, sorry, but I refer to you as determined because that is what I grew up listen to determined as determined. MeShak, you're bad.
Very ridiculous. One in a immortals while up him fuck. Last one dead like dog on bus said man bad. Send him on a grave, not hospital ward. In my real bank of ward, up in grave house, mark shoot Khago and tell him fi chuck through him, girl. Come.
I respect the party. I say him never tell Khago about him mother. Him say, I'm gonna shoot Khago and tell him to chuck through him girl. You see me?
What up in grave house, mark shoot Khago and tell him to chuck through him girl. Calm, cold, chillin', if it's killing, I'm willing. Khago got this determined. MeShak, wine, kill him.
Calm, cool, willing. Yo, the man say Khago got this determined and MeShak go and kill him. Cause remember in a Khago song, in an intimidation by Khago, he mentioned determined also as MeShak, you know. So he must say, yo, Khago got this determined, MeShak, I got kill him. Jeez.
I'm cold chillin', if it's killing, I'm willing. Khago got this determined. MeShak, wine, kill him. Killing me, instilling, if I sue me kill him. From a killing, MeShak kill me bad like a villain.
So we get draft up another one or two. That Mr. Vegas.
Instilling, if I sue me kill him. From a killing, MeShak kill me bad like a villain. My gun take the stage like artists and singing. Both more Khago, put a shot in him.
So I'm gonna take the stage like artists and singing. I'm gonna perform. And people are hear it. People love the sound of it.
Gun take the stage like artists and singing. Both more Khago, put a shot in him. Them dead like dog and talk about them winning. Couple if him in the air and spinning. Put your band and something couldn't help you. I know me make you. Air and spinning. Put your band and something couldn't help you. I know me make your wife bench you.
Bumbleclad. I wish Buju Banton song couldn't help him now, MeShak. He said Buju Banton song couldn't help you. Then
Buju Banton song couldn't help you. I know me make your wife bench you.
Any artist who clash with Khago, I gotta bring up Khago wife, you know. I remember say it's a public relationship. They everybody knows say yo a Khago wife that, and everybody know the situation between Khago and his wife. I'm not sure if them back together fully now, but don't know. Missy I listen to Khago music them more time when she post them and things. So you don't know so she did support her husband. Same way through until that doors part, through thick and thin, until that doors part, for better or for worse. So MeShak I use that right now to his advantage. I say yo, your wife bench you. You see me?
Put your band and something couldn't help you. I know me make your wife bench you. Make the company them shelf you. Who's all dead by yourself so? Parrot. Who's all you dead like dog on busted man bad. Send them on a grave, not hospital ward. In my real bank of ward, up in grave house man. Shot Khago and then take away him girl. Me vicious, him on the shot bishop. Me will make them find Khago in a suitcase sip up. Cup and make him piss up and shit up. Can't get up, blood bleed and tick up and end up his stay with us. Shot bitter life, it's up. No make MeShak say you are the shop. Same place that dead people no fuck fish shack. Shoot Khago the cat and tell him quiet. Let's talk in Parrot. said man bad. Send them on a grave, not hospital ward. Him a real banker, what up in grave house mother. Shot Khago and then take away him yard. Me vicious, him only shot Bishop. Me will make them find Khago in a suitcase, zip up. Cup and make him piss up and shit up. Can't get up, blood bleed and tick up and end up his stay with us. Nothing can see if you're not Psalms and Leviticus. Deep side shoot, everything was suspicious.
Yo! Yeah! Yeah! Yo, this is gonna be interesting. This bad. Me not lie. The flow, in give you about 3 or 4 different flow. Props to the rhythm, bro. You're up on the same rhythm as Khago. I 100% believe that's the same rhythm. I can't remember exactly. But yo, this bad. These are 2 powerful artists. They are 2 talented artists. This going slap. Me like this one. So it would be interesting to hear where Khago forward back with. Cause the war is on you now. 2 talented artists, like me say from the start, 2 bad artists, 2 artists who don't give a fuck about anything. 2 artists who I don't want to use the word careless. Them carefree. Them care zero. Yeah, them care zero. The 2 of them not what word may I look for? The 2 of them will tell you any blood clot thing will come at them feet, come at them mouth. The 2 of them will tell you anything. So this warrior, determined, big up yourself. Khago, big up yourself. Let's get this war kick popping. My only critique for this song, MeShak, is cover art. We need some bad cover art from you. Once get some cover art when we look at me and say, yo, your face in the dark, the cover art I make you see me? Yeah. So get the person where I make the cover art them to make some bad cover art, me G. You see me? That are props in the war too. Cause me see man use cover art and make this song. I'm gonna sing about the cover art in the reply. Cause the cover art bad. You see me? So we need some bad catchy cover art, my fam. You see me? Anyway. This is how I'm going to leave that one. Still, if you enjoy that one, I want to see more from your G. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. And I will see you in the next one. MeShak.